What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to this next Palantir update here for the week ending August 6th. It is Sunday the 8th at 4:56 p.m. and we're going to talk about what happened last week. So we are here zoomed in a little bit on a daily chart here, and we're going to just look at what happened the last 5 days. So we're going to begin with this was Monday here, this little candle here. And all the price action, it took place within this little area of interest, this little blue box that we have outlined for about 1 month now. So here on Monday, we have these really Monday through Thursday, these little what they, I don't know, doji candles, little just slowly chopping up through the range, and then on Friday gives it back. The entire range just sells off. Similar to what it did last week, where Thursday here and Friday here, it sold off. It gave up all of the week's gains. Boom. So what I had been anticipating beginning from last week when it sold off towards the end of last week, my and my anticipation was for it to maybe want to get below this blue box and then challenge these lows en route to 20 en route to 19 to $20. But it did not do that this week. This week, it just continued to stay within this range here. Now, guys, in my opinion, based on my analysis, Palantir is not bullish in the short term until we get to the top of this range. To get through it on a weekly close basis, it's about $23 on a weekly close basis. As you can see, we keep struggling. We keep selling off towards the top of the end of this range here. So it's looking like, to me, like it's becoming resistance, whereas before we were looking for it as an area of support. But there is another area of interest down below. We're thinking $20 to $19. So based on the selling off action at the end of this week, as it did last week, and going into earnings, which I believe is on Thursday, I'm going to be anticipating a challenging of these lows. I think price will want to likely come down, get below these lows into another area of interest, $20 to $19, find a bottom here on earnings, and find some support there to support a further uptrend. Now, I did a very similar action going into the last earnings report, okay? Here we were here in our range. We sold off. Going into earnings, earnings is this very large green candle. Earnings occurred on this day, and we had earnings reported and received that reaction there. Retraced the next couple of days, and that was the beginning of the new uptrend. That carried us to about $27.50. But I believe a similar pattern could be unfolding here for this current earnings, based on the lack of strength to get through this area that we outlined here. So going in for this week, what I would anticipate for Palantir to do is to sell off going into earnings. Earnings is on Thursday again, I believe. Could be Wednesday. I think it's Thursday before market open. So sell off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. And Thursday, earnings report will come up market open or before market. And I think we will see between $20 to $19, a bottom form here, and then we'll eventually continue up from here. We could see something like this down here before going up, but it depends on what comes out on earnings. If it's going to be something strong like this, a nice strong green candle to get us back on track. But I don't think we need to go below here. I don't think so. So that's what I anticipate for this week, guys. We should if we don't just stay within this range, then we are going to likely sell off to about $20 to $19, and then maybe bottom out from there and continue up. All right, so I'm just going to zoom out here. You know what? Let me extend this because I didn't anticipate it would take so long, but let's just extend this so we have it. There we go. Get some more daily candles in there. So sell off to $20 to $19, and then that should be the bottom going up. If it's not, then we'll just find the next target, okay? So I'm just gonna zoom out to the weekly chart, and so you can see this here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here are the weekly candles. We have been tracking Palantir for the last maybe 5 weeks. When this candle closed, I put a video out saying that we need to head down to this blue box area, in which it has done and has continued to consolidate in and around this blue box area. There's a level of significance here, but there's also more down here. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have been looking into Palantir. It's a wonderful company, could be the future, and I just want to be a part of it. So my goal is to just track Palantir. The best place is to buy it for the long term. All right. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and catch you on the next update. See you guys.